Hi guys, in this video I will show you guys how I go from this untamed curly hair to perfectly straight. As a leave-in, I use the 180 Pro Miracle Repair Damage Eliminator and also the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Thermal Styling Protection. I leave both of those products in my hair. And then I get my blow dryer and I will blow dry it like I'm showing you right here. Oops, before I forget, I also use the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray in each section of my hair before I blow dry. Here is a part of my hair already blow dried. I do it in sections because it's easier that way for me. And this is how my hair looks all blow dried. And before I straighten my hair, I use the Beyond the Zone Heat Protectant. I also use two different straighteners. I use the black one shown here for my roots and then the red one for the rest of my hair. And this is just that little section of hair straightened. I go over it just about 2 times, maybe 3, but usually just about 2 times. I wanted to show you guys how I actually straighten my hair, so I'm going to show you guys here how I do it. And the smoke that you're seeing coming from my hair is just the spray that I sprayed in my hair evaporating. That's all it is. It's not my hair burning or anything like that. It's just a spray. But that is it. It's really that easy. I'll show you guys about one more time how I do it so you can just see. And this is half my hair straightened compared to the other half where it's just blow dried. You can see a really big difference. It gets really straight the way I do it. All I'll do now is add the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Keratin Infusing Smoothing Serum. Just a couple drops, maybe 1 or 2, and I will rub it in my hands and then I'll rub it all through my hair. And this is the end result. If you have any more suggestions on what else you want to see me do with my hair, just let me know.